Hey guys, today I'm back with another trading video, and in this trading video I'm gonna teach you a new trading strategy. In this trading strategy will be consist on two indicators: the Bollinger Bands. Second will be awesome oscillator. So before moving towards the video, if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button and on the notification bell and like the video and share it with your friends. So let's move towards the trading video. So in this video we're gonna be using two indicators, as I told you, the Bollinger Bands, and the second will be the awesome oscillator right here. So now let's set up these two indicators first. The Bollinger Band attributes will be period will be 12, and the deviation will be 2, and the styles you can adjust it according to you as per your comfort. Click the save button. Now let's come towards the awesome oscillator. So the period will be 5, the period long will be 34, and let's come to the styles. Up to you guys, I have put it green and red. Click the save button. So now let me tell you the purpose. So whenever the price hits the lower band right here where my arrow is and the oscillator shows the red volume, it means that now is the good time to buy the trade. And similarly, whenever the price hits the upper band like this and the oscillator shows the green volume like this, it means that now is the great time to sell the trade. So before moving towards the trading video, the live trading video, if you guys haven't created your account yet on the pocketoptions.finance, the link is in the description. Join this broker, because in future and right now I'm bringing more and more great trading strategies for you guys of this trading broker, because pocketoptions.finance, I find it pretty user friendly, and also you can trade all the markets, guys. Look here, so many indicators, guys, every indicators, and also every single market, the forex, the Bitcoin, the cryptocurrency, the commodities, the stocks, the indices. You have every single market, and also you have all the indicators. Do consider registering yourself. So now, as you can see here, the price is currently moving towards the downwards, the lower band, and oscillator shows us the red volume. What did I told you guys? We have to buy it, but let's wait and see. Alright, the price is currently moving around the central band. Here it's coming towards the downwards, but let's wait for the confirmation, because the patience is the key for success in financial markets. Now let's wait. Alright, the market is shifting from right here, and it's deviated, guys. Now it's on the upside. Now look here, I'm selling the trade with $2,000 because the market is on the upper band, and boom, $1,660 with just 5-second trade. So now let's analyze this trade. So what happened here? I took my trade right above here. The market was showing me that it's now supposing to go towards like downside, but it's deviated towards upside. But there, upside, at the upside, the market showed me that yes, it's on the upper band going downwards, and also the oscillator supported with the green volume, that it's confirmed that it's have to go towards downside right here. So here I have took the trade with 2,000 and generated $1,660. So now let's wait for another trade. Alright. Meanwhile, make sure that your risk management should be your first priority, because it's so important to manage your risk on the line whenever you are trading in financial markets, because these markets are super risky and your portfolio can be shifted anytime. So here you can see the price is currently coming towards downside, on the lower band. Here I'm buying the trade with $2,000. So now let's wait and see. And here you can see we lost $2,000, but it doesn't matter. Why? Because my risk management is always with me. It's always on the line. I never ever blindly trade because I know the risk in the future markets. It's part of our business, the trading business. So let's wait patiently and see. Currently the price is approaching towards upside, the upper band right here, and it's showing the green volume. So here I am selling the trade, planning to sell it with $4,000. So now let's wait. All right, and here you go. We just recovered our loss of $2,000, plus we generated $2,940. So guys, this is the power of risk management, and you have to make sure that you always trade with risk management on the line, because it's super important, guys. You have seen yourself that I have recovered the loss and generated a profit of $2,940. So here's my today's profit withdrawal of $2,940. I just generated today with the trading, and it's completed right here. You can see here's the payment amount with 0% commission I have paid on it. So now here's my today's money coming into my account, the green bucks, 2,940, basically into my Binance account. It's arrived successfully. So if you guys haven't subscribed my channel yet, click the subscribe button, the red subscribe button, like and share the video, and don't forget to join the pocketoption.finance broker for upcoming amazing trading strategies. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.